Okay, I need a mirror for this one. Come on, come on. I'm just trying to make the hole not have so much crust. Christine listening. It's not working.